we're back. It's once again with the most afraid person in America. With her therapist or lawyer or whatever that person is. And she has decided she would be able to talk to us. So, would you be able to answer us how you have become so afraid? Has anything traumatic happened to you in your life?
I don't know. I just woke up and then I was scared of everything. When I was little, I don't know. I don't remember. I don't remember how it
Now, is the tone of your voice?
Stop! What's happened? What have you done?
Get security on that person now! Okay. You're right.
Where am I? What am I doing here? What's wrong with my hair? What's wrong?
You're on the Linda Lewis show for being the most afraid
What?
person on earth.
Afraid? I'm fine. What are you talking
Well, you were
about?
a few moments ago.
Are you sure?
Not until that
Exorcism is real!
Ma'am, you need to step out.
I'm fine. I'm great. What are you
Okay,
talking
then.
about?
We'll let that conclude this episode of the Linda
I'm
Lewis
fine.
show.
Don't touch me, weirdo. I can breathe fine.
Transition.